These risks are more common than people realize. Most drivers think the biggest risk on the road is simply causing an accident, but there are other risks that can affect you financially, even when you are driving carefully. Here are 5 hidden risks every driver should understand. Number 1, distracted drivers. You may be paying attention to the road, but the driver next to you might not be. Phones, navigation systems, eating, conversations, and other distractions can take someone's attention away for only a few seconds. And sometimes, a few seconds is all it takes to cause a serious accident. You can control your driving. You cannot control everyone else's. Number 2, uninsured or underinsured drivers. Imagine another driver causes an accident and damages your vehicle or injures you. Then you discover they have no insurance or not enough coverage to pay for the loss. Depending on your state and policy, uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage may help in certain situations. This is why understanding your own policy matters, even when someone else caused the crash. Number 3, rising repair costs. Modern vehicles contain cameras, sensors, computers, radar systems, advanced headlights, and other technology. A collision that looks minor from the outside can sometimes require expensive parts, recalibration, and specialized labor. That means a small-looking accident can produce a surprisingly large repair bill. Your vehicle's value is not the only thing that matters. The cost to repair it matters too. Number 4, weather damage. Not every auto insurance claim comes from a collision. Hail, flooding, falling trees, wind, fire, and other weather-related events can damage a vehicle while it is simply parked. These types of losses may fall under comprehensive coverage, subject to your policy terms and deductible. If you only think about accidents when reviewing your auto insurance, you may be overlooking another major source of risk. Number 5, lawsuits. A serious accident can involve much more than vehicle repairs. If another person is injured, there may be medical expenses, lost wages, long-term treatment, property damage, and legal claims. That is when your liability limits become extremely important. Having liability insurance does not mean there is unlimited money available for every accident. Your policy has limits, and a serious claim can potentially exceed them. Here is the bigger lesson. Being a careful driver does not eliminate every risk. Some risks come from other drivers, some come from technology, some come from weather, and some come from the financial consequences after an accident. That is why you should not only ask, "Do I have auto insurance?" Ask, "What risks is my insurance actually protecting me from?" Review your liability limits, understand your deductibles, check whether you have uninsured or underinsured motorist protection where available. Understand your comprehensive and collision coverage, and make sure your policy still fits the vehicle you drive today. Because sometimes the risks drivers ignore are the ones that become the most expensive. The biggest takeaway is this: safe driving helps reduce risk, but it cannot eliminate every risk around you. You can follow traffic laws, avoid distractions, maintain your vehicle, and drive carefully. But you still share the road with other drivers, changing weather, unexpected hazards, and vehicles that may be expensive to repair. That is why auto insurance is not only about protecting yourself from mistakes you make. It can also help address certain financial risks created by situations you cannot fully control. The important thing is to understand what your policy is designed to cover. Review your liability coverage. Understand comprehensive and collision. Ask about uninsured or underinsured motorist protection where available. Know your deductibles. And make sure your coverage reflects the vehicle you drive and the risks you face today. Being prepared starts with knowing where your biggest financial exposures are. The severity of an auto claim is often determined by what happens after the impact, not just by how serious the crash looks. A small collision may involve expensive sensors or cameras. An accident with an uninsured driver can create complicated financial questions. A weather event can damage a parked vehicle without another driver ever being involved. And an injury claim can grow far beyond the cost of repairing the cars. That means drivers should think about auto risk in different categories. Road behavior risk, distracted or careless drivers around you. Coverage risk, another driver may have little or no insurance. Repair cost risk. Modern vehicle technology can make repairs more expensive. Environmental risk. Storms, flooding, hail, fire, and falling objects can damage vehicles. Liability risk. Serious injuries or property damage can lead to large claims or lawsuits. The better question is not simply, am I a safe driver? It is, if something outside my control happens, how financially prepared am I? That is a much more complete way to think about auto insurance. Before we wrap up, take a few minutes and look at your current auto policy. Do you know your liability limits? Do you have comprehensive coverage? What is your collision deductible? Do you have uninsured or underinsured motorist protection where available? And would your current coverage make sense if your vehicle needed a major repair tomorrow? If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical insurance education from Mainstream Insurance. And tell us in the comments, which risk worries you most? Distracted drivers, uninsured drivers, rising repair costs, weather damage, or lawsuits? Because being careful behind the wheel matters, but understanding the risks you cannot control matters too.